Jamie and Tony, as you come this day to affirm your love and commitment, may you always remember to value each other as special and unique individuals, and may you respect each other's thoughts, ideas, and feelings. I truly believe these two have found their soulmate. My genuine hope for you both is that from this day forward, you use that same passion and drive every day to not only make yourself better, but most importantly, your marriage and your family better.
The way you brush your hair from your face, and the way you smile, I can't wait to turn another page and follow you.
Do you, Tony, take Jamie to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, for richer or poorer, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
You're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea, every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life.
Do you, Jamie, take Tony to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, for richer or poorer, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
The way your body moves when you dance, it's like an ocean wave. It's got me in a magnetic trance that I can't escape. Even when I close my eyes, I feel you breathe next to me. It's everything. I see you. You're a galaxy of stars.
Do you promise to love, respect, and protect each other from this day forward?
I promise.
Do you promise to accept the responsibility of being a family and encourage and support each other in your new life together?
I promise.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Tony, you may kiss your bride.
I see you. You're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea, every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see you. You'll never go unnoticed, 'cause you got my eyes in focus. If there's anything you know, I hope you know this.
Thank you to everyone for coming. It means the world to us that our best friends and our family could be here. You know, special thanks to Jamie. You know, she was the real MVP for the whole day. She really put so much of this together.